Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Today I'll be discussing about Western educational philosopher Karl Marx. He was a German philosopher, political economist and a journalist. He was born on 5th May 1818. He received doctorate in philosophy in 1841. He was married to one Westphalian and had 7 children, out of which only 3 children survived to adulthood. He died on 14th March 1883 in England. His philosophy of life. Marxism is a social, political, and economic theory originated by Marx, which focuses on struggle between the capitalist and the working class. He gives a relationship between the capitalist class and the working class. His aim of education. According to him, Marxist aim of education lays stress on indoctrination of ideas and practice. Marxism lays stress on providing education to all sections of society, that is the universal education. His curriculum. Marxist curriculum is based on Marxist educational aims, objective and values. Marxist philosophy and doctrine will be taught to all levels of education on compulsory basis. Creative work and co-curricular activities have been given much more importance, which are exercise, music, painting, games, etc. His method of teaching. He believes in practical aspect of education instead of the theoretical aspect. Based on principle of learning by doing, students should work in agricultural farms as well as in factories. Education should not be confined within the four walls of the school. Natural environment and community will serve as a great books and the teachers. Learning occur through the personal experience. It emphasizes on group activity. It promote cooperative spirit instead of the competitive spirit. Role of teacher. According to him, role of teacher is very significant and crucial in Marxist education. Teacher must be fully equipped with the content of education as well as Marxist methodology of teaching. He or she should possess sound health, respect for culture heritage, deep practical senses, socialistic bent of mind, and true patriotism. If you like my assignment, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Stay happy and stay safe.